trading is all about how much we're gonna risk and how much we will get as a reward. In this video, you will learn a best 5-minute trading strategy available free on Tradingview. Before we lose any time, let's jump in the video. If you are ready to learn something new today, let's head over to indicators tab and let's add our first indicator, which is Madrid moving average ribbon. You will see indicator from Madrid. Click that to your chart. After you add the indicator, you will see a lot of lines in your chart, and I will explain everything to you, how it will be used, how it can be take best of it. But before we do that, my ticker is Nasdaq and our time frame is 5 minutes. But here is the great news. You can use this strategy on 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or even you can go for the 4 hours. So the lowest will be 5 minutes and it works really well on that. And we will aim for the 1 risk to 2 rewards. So it's a 1 to 2, right? And this is our take profit and stop loss method. And in the end of the video, I will show you one more bonus secret. Make sure you stick around. This is our first indicator, and let's add our confirmation indicator. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with LAX Algo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. You guys know that I like confirmation indicators. It is called a Donchian trend ribbon. It's our lovely friend. Now it is all about the settings. Let's head over to settings. You do not change anything on the Madrid trend ribbon and just close it. You will go to Donchian trend ribbon and the inputs is 20. If you done that, hit OK button, and now let's see how we will trade with this beautiful chart over here. So now you guys are wondering how these indicators are working together. Let me tell you, when you see the Madrid ribbon has a lot of green line, all the lines are green, it means a bullish. And as you know that the Donchian trend ribbon, when you see green, it's a bullish confirmation. When you see red, it's a bearish confirmation. And now we will deep dive how these indicators can work together. Let's see it on the live market. Let's hit the play button and we are following the market. The Madrid ribbon has returned to red here. And as you remember the rule, when we can combine these both of them, we will confirm with each other. So all the Madrid lines are red and the Donchian trend ribbon was red. So we are taking a short position here. Yes, and we will put our stop loss to the recent support line, and the rule is 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. Don't forget that. So 1 to 2 will become here. Let me just put it up. That's it. That's how you will manage the trade. We have hit our target. Easy like that. And a golden tip here, a quote, how you will manage your position. When the price come and hit 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, let's see it here. When the price hits there, you will move your stop loss to your break even and you will close out the half of the position here. That's a must rule. If you follow this rule, your win rate will increase like crazy. So let's continue with the chart here. We are watching that the Madrid is going all green and the Donchian trend ribbon is green. What we're gonna do is we will initiate a long position here with the bar close. Let's put our entry here and stop loss will be here, and let's see if we're gonna lose it or if we're gonna make it. So the price is going and it's so close, it's coming. The Donchian trend ribbon, you will watch all the time, it's still green and it becomes red. Now let's see it. We see that the price went above to the 1 to 1 risk reward ratio here, right? 1 to 1 risk reward. After that, we close half of our position and we move to the break-even point. So that's how we will manage the trade. And what we get here is we have two scenarios. We can wait until price hits our stop loss, I mean like a break even, and we make money anyway, right? Or you can close the rest of the position when you get a red from the Donchian trend ribbon. So let's say that we keep our position and let's hit the play button. If you hold up your position, your target has been reached, but as I said, if you want to keep it low risk, you can close out when you get a bearish signal from the Donchian trend ribbon. But don't forget that it's anyway a 100% win, because we have closed half of the position with the 1-to-1 risk reward ratio, and we moved our stop loss to the break even, right? So I assume all of you guys have understand very clearly how this trading strategy works. Now I am inviting you to open up the bonus thing. Let's head over to indicators tab and let's add one more indicator, the moving average exponential. Click that your chart, and after you add it, head over to settings and change your length to 200 and change the style to, let's say, white, and let's make it bolder so we can see clearly. What will give us is, it will add one more layer so we can increase our profit. Now let's see how we can use all of them together. We got a green line here, right? But what we're gonna do is we will wait until the price goes above the 200 EMA here. Why? Because we don't want to get caught up in the ranging market, or sometimes the market goes up, goes down, and we got confused. So with that scenario, with that layer, we will eliminate most of these false signals. Of course we will get some false signals, of course we will hit the stop loss, but in the end of the day, what we're gonna do is we are trying to increase our profit here. With this layer, you will do that. So I hope you guys understand. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.